Hey everyone, and welcome to Chinese Skill Unit 11. In this unit, we're going to learn how to say the days of the week. We'll also cover some basic grammar, as well as learn a sentence structure used to form negative questions. So let's get started. Learning the days of the week in Chinese is actually much easier than in English, where you have 7 unique names for each day. To form the days of the week in Chinese, we can use the word 星期, which means week, and then adding a number starting from 1 for Monday, going all the way up to 6 for Saturday. For example, 星期一 is Monday. 星期二 is Tuesday. 星期三 is Wednesday, all the way up to 星期六, which is Saturday. Sunday is the only day of the week that is not numerated. Rather, it is formed by using the word 天, which means day or sky. 星期天, 星期天, Sunday. I personally find this much easier and more logical than in English. In Chinese, as long as you can count to 6, you're only 2 words away from being able to say every day of the week. And these words are 星期 for week and 天, which is used to form Sunday. The idea of weekdays and weekends are identical in Chinese and English, where Monday through Friday, 星期一到星期五, being considered the work days, or 工作日, and Saturday and Sunday, 星期六和星期天, being considered the weekend, or 周末. Today in Chinese is 今天, and if you wanted to say today is Monday, the word order is actually exactly the same as in English. 今天, today. 是 is 星期一, Monday. 今天是星期一, today is Monday. So if today is Monday, what is tomorrow? In Chinese, the word for tomorrow is 明天, so we can say 明天是星期二. 明天是星期二. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Pretty simple, right? Now if we wanted to ask the question literally, what day is it tomorrow? Like what day of the week? We can use a word that we've already learned in previous units. 几 for how many. Because days are numerated, the question word they carry is the word for how many of something. And here, that something is the days of the week. So for example, we can say 明天是星期几. 明天是星期几. What day is it tomorrow? And if you forgot what day it is today, you can ask the question 今天是星期几. What day is it today? Or literally, today is which day of the week. And if you wanted to confirm that today is in fact Monday, you could ask this question. 今天是星期一吗? 今天是星期一吗? Is today Monday? If today is Tuesday and I ask you, 今天是星期二吗? And you want to answer positively, you could simply say, today is Tuesday. So putting it together, it would sound something like this. 今天是星期二吗? Is today Tuesday? 今天是星期二. Today is Tuesday. But on the other hand, if you wanted to answer no, it's not Tuesday, you could use the word 不是 and say 今天不是星期二. Today is not Tuesday. But if it's actually Monday, I would probably answer it like this. 今天不是星期二. 今天是星期一. Today is not Tuesday. Today is Monday. Imagine you wake up one fine Saturday morning and you realize you have a bunch of missed calls from a coworker. You call them back and they ask you, why didn't you come to work today? And you say, isn't today Saturday? This is called a negative question and implies that the speaker assumes or thinks that something is true. In Chinese, to form a negative question, we can use the following structure. Subject plus 不是 plus object plus 吗. For example, isn't tomorrow Friday? 明天不是星期五吗? 明天不是星期五吗? Isn't tomorrow Friday? Notice the verb 是 never changes or is conjugated, even when paired with words like 今天, today in the present tense, or 明天, tomorrow in the future tense. Unlike in many other languages, in Chinese, verbs, nouns, pronouns, and adjectives are never conjugated, and they don't change regardless of tense or plurality. And to demonstrate this one step further, let's take a look at one more word, 昨天. That means yesterday. So for example, 昨天是星期六. Yesterday was Saturday. Here we're speaking in the past tense, and 是 remains unchanged. The same thing goes for negative questions as well. For example, 昨天不是星期二吗? Wasn't yesterday Tuesday? Here the verb 是 still remains unchanged. 不是 means is not in the present tense and was not in the past tense. Bye bye.